Well, hello, beautiful people. My name is Lashelle, and I wanted to do a touch base with you guys. In the beginning of the year, I had filmed a video with my goals and the things I wanted to achieve as a fashion designer. And I wanted to kind of share with you guys an update of everything that I've been able to do and the things that I have planned for my future. So it's been a good year. So far this year, I've been able to graduate from college. I got my associate's degree in general studies, and the classes I focused on was business and marketing. I did a 5-day business program, fashion business program at the 𝒮𝓇𝒾𝓁𝓁 College of Fashion in London. You already know about my office space, but I've also, what else have I done? I have been securing inventory for my boutique. I have also been making some handmade pieces for the boutique. I have, I'm currently also, which is new, taking a sustainability course from the London College of Style because within my business, I love to practice sustainability and making things ethically. That is important to me. And so I definitely want to educate myself more in that regards. And long term, honestly, I just see myself having like an office space in my downtown area, which is similar to this. This is a business program that I'm a part of where they help you grow. And once I graduate from this program, then that would be idea. I don't want to do a traditional storefront because my business is not traditional. And if anything, I like having the personalized shopping experience within a small office space. And if I ever do anything to where it's actual like having an actual space to sell my stuff, it would be a mobile boutique. If you haven't seen those, look them up. It's basically essentially like a food truck, but it's a boutique, and you can travel any and everywhere with the boutique. And I think that's more fitting with my vision and where I want to go. And I've been having more bookings for sewing classes, which is awesome. I got recently a teaching opportunity, which I can teach 4th and 5th graders for a summer camp, so I'm excited for that. But there are a lot of moving parts, but I feel like I'm moving in a good direction and I'm finding my why and what is going to work well for me. And I just wanted to share an update with all the things that are going on, and I will jump into the office tour now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Of Eccentric Vintage Boutique. I've done an office tour before, but I've made some updates and I want to share with you guys the new things that are featured within my office space. If you don't know, now you do. I make handmade clothing, jewelry, and accessories, and also sell pre-loved fashion and vintage fashion. Let's jump into the office tour. All right, so when you first walk to my office space, this is what it looks like. We're going to start on this side. We have this first clothing rack, which is a new addition. And this is all my handmade clothing, which is right here. And then the rest is true vintage fashion. So this is from the 70s and the 80s. And then we have obviously my TV for me to watch while I'm working, or if I have clients, I'll turn this on to YouTube and I'll play like music in the background. And then obviously we have my mirror, which I love. It is so perfect and adorable. And then we have my actual desk in which I work, and we have information about me, how to connect with me on social media, my fabric swatch book when I have design consultations, latest edition of Vogue. I went to the 𝒮𝓇𝒾𝓁 College of Fashion. They gave me the 2025 yearbook. And then obviously we have my girl Iris. I love her. I love this book. Oh my goodness, we have another issue of Vogue. And then my printer, all the things. But then over here, we have my mannequin, which she is bald and I gotta get her some hair, but her outfit is cute. Me and my daughter styled it together. And then we have my pre-loved clothing that's more modern, and it's not as older as my true vintage fashion here. And then we also have this because I am definitely inspired by these kind of silhouettes and the clothing and the dressing. And then we have my accessories and jewelry station, my mannequin, and then more jewelry, and then just my dressmaking design calendar, my books. My mom is an author, so I feature her books within my boutique. We have my little shipping station with all my shipping and tagging supplies. And yeah, this is it. I truly do love my office space. It's come such a long way. And I want to try to incorporate some type of way for like a cute little changing corner, which I've seen some things on Pinterest and online. So we'll see if I'm able to incorporate that in some type of fashion. But this is my updated office space for my small business, Eccentric Vintage Boutique.